Hello everyone, we welcome you to the House of Aim Collections. Today we are going to show you some beautiful hand-woven matka silk saris which has jamdani all over the sari, even on the pallu and even on the sari as well. So let's get started. Let's see our first sari, which is a beautiful hand-woven dual-toned orange color which has 3 inches of zari border, and all over the sari you will be getting this butti jamdani woven work, and as well as the pallu has red color muslin part comes with jamdani on it. So that's the open view. Let's see the draped view of the sari. See the close up, see the fabric. It's very soft, flowy, and this is pure matka silk, original matka silk, comes with silk mark, and that's how the draped look. That's the pallu part, which has jamdani on the red muslin. Yeah. See the jamdani booty work on the sari, and you can even see the borders are very light. Those are not so highlighted. That's the blouse part of the sari. It has jamdani zari stripes on the sari blouse as well. Yeah, that's the drape look. So this is our sari number 1. So let's see our sari number 2, which is Rani pink color. Rani pink color dual toned. This is another color in the same pattern, same design. It comes with silk mark. So see the body part of the sari. It has ball booty jamdani all over the sari. Comes with 3.5 inches zari borders, which are very light. That's the drape look of the sari. See the close up, and you can feel the quality as well. It's pure matka silk, 100% silk, comes with silk mark certification from AM Collections. So very soft and flowy. Yeah. That's the blouse part. Yeah, see the drape look. That's your sari number. This is our sari number 3, which is beautiful yellow color, bright yellow color, in the same pattern, same design. Yeah, let's open the sari. That's the open view of it. And you can see the all over Zamdani booties in golden threads. As it is yellow color, bright yellow color, so the Zamdani is not so highlighted, but it is visible. Those who like light colors, this is the best choice for them. See the close-up view? That's the drape look, and those are the Jamdani booties, golden zari Jamdani booties. Feel the fabric? It's very soft and flowy. It's pure matka silk, comes with silk mark certification as well. Complete sari is matka silk. Even the blouse. See the blouse part? It has Jamdani zari stripes on the blouse part. That's Zio pallu. Pallu has that muslin, and on the top of the muslin there is Jamdani work. Zari Jamdani woven work. Yeah, let's see our sari number 4. This is a different design. The concept is different here, and it's a dual toned, that greenish and bluish kind of color. It has 2 tones actually. Here the warp of the sari is violet color and the weft of the sari is green. So we are going to show that the color close-up view. So let's see the draped view of the sari. And it has the jamdani all over the sari. The border jamdani has been done with gicha threads. It's pure silk. See the feel, see the color, dual toned color here. The top border is gicha striped border, and on the bottom it has 6.5 to 7 inches gicha jamdani work, and 1 meter pallu is been done with gicha jamdani work. That's your pallu. Yeah, it's completely gicha silk jamdani on matka silk sari. That's your blouse. See the threads here. Here there are purple threads in the warp, and in the weft we are given green color matka threads. So that is why it is in dual toned. You could feel it. It has two tones actually. So this is a special sari. Only one piece we have. So for any queries, you can please ping us to 973-966-7424. You can even book through our website www.amcollections.in. Yeah, this is our next sari, which is elephant grey. All over jamdani. It has that different Dakai style jamdani on the body part of the sari. And we have heavy jamdani on the pallu as well. This sari doesn't have any borders because it has heavy jamdani work on the sari part, on the body of the sari part, and as well as the pallu part also. Yeah. See how flowy it is, very soft. That's the drape look of the sari. It has heavy jamdani on the pallu and as well as the body part. Yeah, see the close-up view. Actually in grey you can easily feel the quality. 100% hand woven, 100% silk. Comes with silk mark certification. Okay, let's see the pallu and as well as the blouse part. That's your blouse. It has that zari stripes, jamdani zari stripes on the pallu. Complete matka silk. Even the blouse part is also matka silk. Yeah. See the close-up view of the jamdani booties. It is Dakai jamdani style jamdani booties are being given on the body part. Yeah, let's see our next sari, which is my favorite color. It's a Rama green color. Yeah, it has that ball jamdani all over the sari, and as well as pallu has jamdani too on muslin part, black muslin part. Yeah, let's see the drape look of this. I have posted a model picture of this sari in my page. You can just have a look of that. Yeah. It's gorgeous, right? I know it's gorgeous. See the jamdani booties, and I must say the borders of these saris are not so highlighted. Very light and matte finished zari borders are being given for these saris. Yeah, that's your blouse part, which has zari stripes all over the blouse part. And you can see the zari here, zari borders, which are very light. Yeah, these are very light. See the jamdani, zari woven booty jamdani. Yeah, let's see our next sari, which is metallic copper color. This is my favorite sari. I don't know, I just like the color. It has copper, two metallic colors. One is the all over the sari is copper color and zari is silver color. It's a combination of copper and silver. See the feel, see the fabric. It has that shining, gorgeous shining. That's the draped view of the sari. And in this particular sari, you'll be getting highlighted zari borders, silver woven zari borders, as well as the pallu has heavy silver jamdani work, box silver jamdani work. All over the sari it is plain. Complete body part is plain. Only the borders, pallu, and even the blouse has jamdani too that we are going to show. Yeah, that's your blouse part where you'll be getting 1 meter jamdani work on the top of the borders. That you can be that can be used for your sleeves or as well as the back part of the blouse. Hello everyone. We welcome you to the House of Aim Collections. Today we are going to show you some beautiful hand woven matka silk saris